also thankful to our conference, Art and Architectural Tradition of India and Iran, between these two great countries. We, any of medieval paintings, so Iranian influence is so much conference with us. With these words, I would like to request, really thankful we are to Iran Culture House for agreeing to.
A very good afternoon to our.
Then we have a very good relation in Safavid dynasty with the Mughal India, and during Mughal periods, many of the Persian artists like Abdul Samad Shiraz from Shiraz, Mir Sayyid of Tabriz were brought, they migrated in India.
Keynote speaker, Professor Catherine B. Asher. The distinguished guest, His Excellency Dr. Ali Chegeni, Ambassador, Republic of Iran in India, and the director of the conference convener, Dr. Nasir Raza Khan, and Dr. Ramesh C. Kaur, who is also alumni of the Jamia, and I also welcome Dr. Ali Deghani, head Iranian Culture House.
They exerted immense civilizational and cultural influence over each other. This engagement can be seen in language, poetry, literature, music, trade. Therefore, I will only discuss a number of them with you. There has been a mutual cultural adjustment which we have every right to be proud of. The second point is that Iran's strategic location as well as its geocultural has contributed much to the prosperity, well-being, and also the growth and development of its neighbors over the centuries. The usage of Ivans is used extensively for both religious and secular building through Islamic Persia as well as South Asia and India. In Indian, maybe you say Divan Salar. In Persian, also we say.
I request His Excellency Dr. Ali Chegeni, Ambassador. So my best wishes for the conference. Thank you very much. And contemporary challenges, and we all are going to learn a lot about these things. I will see as a country which gives not only the Islamic values, and I'm very happy that the authority on the Iranian, not only on the historical building, but so many building of interest which.
Be sure these civilizational ties are the cornerstone for the drawing a multiple dimensional and long-standing relation.
Dr. Ali Chegeni, Mr. A.P. Siddiqui, Dr. Nasir Raza Khan, Mr. Ali Deghani, Dr. Ramesh Kaur.
What very important to note here is postgraduate degree in developmental.
India and Iran have played a pivotal role in evolution of cultures of the world. Both the countries belong to the same ethno-linguistic family, and the cultural relations between the two countries are predominant. In Iran, the Daivas are denounced as is mentioned. In Vedic period, there is mention of Devas and Asuras.
Architecture of Persia. Khorasan is famous for use of blue tiles. Motifs are abundant in Gupta art. Also Indian peacock, dragons. Ocean of Stories, Katha Til Sagar was translated from Sanskrit into BC and attributed to Vishnu Sharma. The stories of Panchtantra contribution to this new Islamic civilization is of immense importance. In the 11th century AD, Islam came to India from the side of Persia.
Agra, Kashmir, Lahore, and Dhaka. Some of them are being preserved even today, such as the Shalimar Garden in Kashmir and Taj Mahal Garden. Qutb Shahid also paid attention to the art of architecture. The Sultan Wali strengthened the Golconda Fort and built a royal palace and other administrative building at the mosque. His lines was an Iranian named Amanat Khan Shirazi, and Shah Jahan called him Amanat Khan.
The valedictory session will take place. So this is the interest of
The students from different departments, especially from Turkish department.
بسیار خوشحال هستیم که سمینار 3 روزه مشترک ایران هند با موضوع هنر، معماری و سنت‌های مشترک دو کشور در حوزه هنر و معماری امروز برگزار شد. امروز آیین گشایش سمینار رو داشتیم که با حضور قائم مقام وزیر فرهنگ هند و سفیر محترم جمهوری اسلامی ایران و اندیشمندانی در محل دانشگاه جامعه ملی برگزار شد. این سمینار با مشارکت و همکاری دانشگاه ملی اسلامی با همکاری شورای تحقیقات تاریخی هند با همکاری خانه فرهنگ جمهوری اسلامی ایران در دهلی و همینطور مرکز ملی هنری ایندراگاندی برگزار شد و محققان و اندیشمندان دو کشور در 2 روز باقی مانده این سمینار به ارائه مقالات ارزشمند علمی خودشون خواهند پرداخت.